Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to apply live wallpapers in PC. First of all, open any browser. Type lively wallpapers. Click on this link. The link is also in the description. Now click on download. Click installer. It is 249 MB file. After downloading, stop it. Check on accept and next. Lively is downloaded successfully. Open it. Click on any wallpaper you want. Just click on it.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion.
You can download any wallpaper from YouTube and can apply here. So guys, if this video helped you, then like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.